Hi guys, this is Alicia Batra. Welcome to my channel Real Estate with Alicia. This time I am going to show you a property which is located in central Delhi. This property is of 258 yards. It's having 3 spacious bedrooms and is also a park facing. Keep watching this video. So as we enter the property, we get this beautiful lobby and मेरे left side पे 2 bedrooms हो जाएंगे and एक ड्राइंग रूम हो जाएगा. And if I stand like this, then again on my left there is kitchen and a good master bedroom. So I'm going to show you the drawing room of the property, which is very beautifully done. The whole property has been done in Italian marble and white aesthetics है इस property के, beige color की flooring है. Also guys, this property is park facing, which makes it premium in its own sense. And if you can have a look in a wider angle of this drawing room, you see the view from here, which is beautiful. You get the double glazed floor to high ceiling window. You've got the view of the park and हर room के साथ balcony भी है इस property में. So it is quite well ventilated and well lit property, I must say. So let's go to the first bedroom. This is also a beautiful one and it's at the front side. Welcome to the first bedroom, beautifully done. The concept of this house is quite vintage, I should say. I mean, contemporary and vintage का combination है. If you have a look at the almirahs over here, cupboard का आप look देखेंगे तो ये बहुत ही beautifully done है. Like for example, बहुत vintage vibe दे रहे हैं. And also they provided the profile lighting. Now let's see the another bedroom, which again is on the front side. This is quite spacious. Now as we enter this bedroom, on my left you can see there is this place is for the bed, and again we get a balcony also with this bedroom. Same views, beautiful lush green views. And then again this here is your situation where you can put in your LED and enjoy a beautiful good movie on Netflix. These जो cupboards है, again they are very beautifully done with the concept of classic style. So if I talk about the washroom and the fittings used, the builder has used Jaguar fittings, which is one of the premium brands, and in every washroom of this property. And also this is your bathing area now, which again is quite spacious. In the lobby only we have an opening of a powder room. Yes, you also get a powder room in this one, which is not connected to any bedroom, or it's like kitchen of this property, which again इतनी ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. आप एक बार अंदर आइए, पूरा वाइड एंगल में किचन दिखाओ, इतना ब्यूटीफुली डन है. लाइक ये जो पूरा एरिया है कितना स्पेशियस है, कोई कंजेशन नहीं है इस किचन में. एवरीवन वुड फील फ्री टू कुक इन देयर ओन मैनर. अगर मैं इस किचन की बात करूँ तो ये फुल्ली फिटेड मॉड्यूलर किचन रहेगी. यू विल बी गेटिंग द फैब्रिक अप्लायंसेस इन दिस वन, चिमनी, हॉब, माइक्रोवेव oven. Everything will be pre-fitted in this one, and again all the drawers are soft closures, like you can check. So this was the complete video of the property. This property is 258 yards. It's having 3 bedrooms, first entry, newly built, beautiful property. If you want to schedule your site visit, number is mentioned below. Give us a call and I'll be happy to assist you in finding you your dream home.